Hello, sweet tooths. Today we're making a dessert that will impress in just 5 minutes. Easy, delicious, and with flavors that combine perfectly. We start by placing half a package of cocoa cookies in a large bowl because we're going to crush them until they turn into powder. If you don't have cocoa cookies, you can substitute them with regular Maria cookies and a teaspoon of cocoa. Once they've been turned into powder, we're going to add a liquid touch that will give them a fantastic flavor. And I love it. So with a good splash of orange juice, about 50 milliliters or a quarter cup, we mix well and we're going to distribute it in 3 different containers. In this case, these beautiful glasses we put the base in, and there I leave it. On the other hand, let's go for the cream. 2 egg yolks in a large bowl, 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, and that will weigh about 40 grams. Here I have 400 milliliters of milk, and I'm just going to pour a splash into the mixture here. And why? Because that way I can stir and dissolve the cornstarch really well and easily. I also add sweetener to taste. I use erythritol, but you can use sugar, condensed milk, saccharin, whatever you prefer. We take that mixture to a saucepan over medium heat. There it is. We also add a splash of vanilla essence, extract, or flavoring, which always tastes really good. And there's the rest of the milk, the remaining 400 milliliters. You'll keep stirring until it gets creamy, and at that moment your cream is ready. Take it off the heat, serve it over those cups we had with the cookie base and orange juice, and enjoy this dessert. You can enjoy it like this, warm at room temperature or cold from the fridge. Look at how amazing it looks. Don't tell me you don't want to dig in. You can enjoy it warm or cold from the fridge. I'll leave that up to your personal taste. Like this, with a bit of cinnamon on top. I love it, although it's also great with cocoa. Look at the little spoon. Don't tell me it doesn't look appetizing. And grabbing a bit of cookie from the bottom. Wow, what a delight. It's incredible that something so easy, so simple, and so quick to make is so extremely good. I hope you liked the recipe and that you try it at home.